fabulous and expensive. Omusajja yandi kumazeko banga chi seconds zibe mmeka. Yagala lunaku lulamba.
Bwana ze byage bisa kwa na lunaku lulamba naye nga buli kuwummula ne munywamu ki ne mugira ne mweddamu ne mweyongerayo.
I understand the fact that oyagala nnyo okwegatta. Wow, so fabulous. Kakati
Ano tonvuma chicken tonvuma.
No, nze sivuma mukazi mulungi ekyo tekiriba.
Ova kuvuma oli abadde aganya okujja mu gunde. Ova muvuma.
Naye gwe tolabanga kimugwanira. Omanyi okumuwaana kwe muwaanye n'asigala nga tazze.
Maybe that credit, maybe she thought she doesn't deserve that credit, but at the end of the day, you know.
Okay, another question. Ogambye you can have sex for a day. Osobola okununa lollipop w'omwami wo so long as obadde omwagala.
Why not?
You can?
Why not?
What about pair every day? I mean every day. Can you put them
why would you go down on me then I don't go down on you? Don't you see that's not quite
the
good?
The problem we are getting in this media era, girls don't know how to eat lollipop. Muliako wagulu, temuli abide. Don't eat balls.
But I'm chicken. If I don't know how to do it, then teach me.
I know. Wait.
I don't teach me, that means I will never, maybe so kusanga nyina buli kimu kyowetaga ku mubiri. But nebwembanga simanyi kya lollipop or something shitegera. But if I don't know how to do it, teach me. I'm willing to learn.
Okay, you're willing to learn. That is fabulous. I understand the fact into yagala nnyo kuyiga ebintu ebipya. Ezo fingernails ziri nacho.
Nenjera zino ziri nacho.
Kama katonda wange mbadde nazirabye edda nti ziri fabulous and beautiful. Another nasty question onansonyi wanjagadde vibe yo baby. Waliwe kubye ku ngalo. Once in a while nogamba kanema mazemu.
Why not? I'm a human being.
Kama katonda wange taata kyolese ku live eno nkyaniriza. Taata nakusaba omukazi amanyi
okwekuba. So those are things like buli much kola mukwano.
Really?
Yeah.
Have you tried a threesome?
Hell no, I'm not into those things. But
talking about threesome, right?
Exactly. Maybe I call it natural, but I'm not into it.
You're not into it. I understand the fact in Titoyagala.
I don't like to share.
You don't like to share. Okay. So far, yegwa mu ku bakazi be nakalaba abali principal abalina amateeko okusinzira ku love. World War. You're a Muchiga, right?
Welcome to Bachiga's nation.
You are a Muchiga. Okay. I love your dental formula. Chicho kozesa okunyirira up to that extent. I love the teeth. They are so white, they are so shining, and they are so really. Bulwenkula banzenda bidadala franka baho kozi ye kagwe na sokola banamanyo agatunula bwegatyo.
The kozesa whitening gundi toothpaste.
Oh, really? Okay. Ngatuze kumulamwa. Mbadde nsaba. At least katsoke tulabe ku nyuma, then we can continue with the conversation. Okusinzira Chinkolere nganze.
At least now nakata I'm willing ovume byoyagala but nyuma mukwananga seka.
Sigenda kuvuma. I cannot abuse a beautiful and nice person. You know, I understand baby, and I really respect the fact inti olimu filter ekufudde bwetyo. But chengamba just nacho sobolo chinkolera according to love je tulinanze wakati naawe. Mbadde nsaba kale.
Just
No, I mean, take a one step.
I have something before.
Okay.
Eno gundi, eno live about what? Maybe live designer crew.
Live budget the nyashi show. Tuli mu kunoonya bitone. Era bwe mbadde ntandika omulamu ogulabye wansi nti the nyashi show. Of course, omuwanguzi waffe.
Jigudde mu bugwi mukwano badde ku live ndala naye ngwa mu bugwi obali ne ba I just yes, woba jugudde you can't see the gunde yonna.
Ogudde bugwi bambi we are so sorry. Okay, it is okay. The respect jenkuwa because you're so beautiful. I despite the fact that next time oja kukoma watu again nyuma. Is it okay? Sisobola kuvuma. I cannot do that. Count on me bwe nkuvuma nsabire sale mbimba luke kinege kya kono. Trust me, I will. Sisobola kuvuma. I will never do that in life. Okay, the mere fact in titogenda tulaga nyuma. Do you have any question you would like to ask before ngasinaba kujjako? I love your nose, Penny.
Thank you. Did that question into Rachi, Gundedi Nyashi, what I don't know, Hi Bishop.
Ya buli muntu alina omulamwa gwa live ye natula wansi ne ngamba abagagga bange ne bangamba chicken tulina ekintu kye tubulamu these days abakazi batutawaanya okukwana twagala omuntu ekirala abakazi ogenda n'omukwana kumba ataddeyo akabina bambala obubina so ku live kuno tuba tusobola okumanya amazima nti onayambadde akabina oba takambadde ate n'ekirala no platform nteekako abakazi abeetunda era bwe oli mukazi nga weetunda nga gy'oli mu comment section look sigamye nti weetunda brandi I'm trying to explain kyo ngambye nti mulimu abakazi abaagala ba customers naye nga tebalina gyakubajja eno platform ogyetaaga Pero jano ngamba chicken nze netunda sente bwezi ne tukubulira wetundira wa era okolera meka night short ne rongo then no funa ba clients banji nyo ama inbox yo other be brandy anything else
not the actual okay tinteged but the scene about all this good okay but tinteged there now
how old are you 25 yes. You're 25 24 23.
Agamba gesinga mulundi gumu gesinga ngoli ogenda multiplication yonna paka nagamba this
21 right
na ndi 29 ndi mukazi mukulu mkwano
29 yoba mukulu mukazi wange alina emyaka aga 40 is going to make 41 in August.
Some other people nti byomalo akiraba bulala so if you are 45 ambagamba munna it's fine mulimu sinzira ku muntu so
okay okay onyumidde no kikazigwe by the way I'm so sorry but onyumidde
onvumye